Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to set up a Zelle account. And well, the process is simple. We need to log into our bank and look for the actions option. Okay? Here, for example, I have it right here. You will log into your bank and look for an option similar to this one. After that, what you're going to do is even simpler. You need to go to the transfers and payments section. And here, as you can see, there's the option to send money with Zelle, which is this one right here. We're going to choose that option, and as soon as we do, some information will appear that we need to read carefully in order to sign up for Zelle directly from our bank. So we accept those terms and conditions, and then we can proceed to continue with the process. Finally, the system will prompt us to choose an email address. It will specifically ask us to link either an existing email address or a valid phone number for verification purposes. Additionally, we also need to carefully select the specific account from which we intend to send the funds for this transaction. And, well, lastly, to complete the entire process, we just need to accurately enter the verification code, whether that code is sent to our designated email address or to our registered phone number, ensuring the security of the transaction. Here we click on verify and that's it. So that's it here, and then we just click on continue and return to the bank's main menu. And well, that's it. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.